Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video. For those who are new to my channel, my name is Keyerakaye. For those returning back, thanks for coming back to watch my videos. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel with the notifications on so you don't miss when I upload videos at all. Turn on the post notifications and hit all so you'll get all my notifications no matter what. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Also, make sure you leave some comments down below so I can know what type of videos y'all want to see from me. Also, let me know how y'all feel about this color on me. I'm really feeling it, so just let me know how you feel down in the comment section. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I installed this unit from Yolova hair. All their hair details will be listed down below so you guys can go ahead and check them out. So the wig that I am installing today is a 13x4 24-inch honey blonde unit. As y'all can see, I'm really feeling the vibes of this hair because I typically go black or just like off like 1B type of hair or straight like brown or blonde. So like this, I don't know, this is giving me just, I don't know. All the hair details will be down below so you guys can check this hair out. Also, when you go over and head over to their website, whatever wig you decide to order, make sure you go ahead and input that coupon code Keyera, Keyera, so you can get some money off of your order. And yeah, so let's go ahead and get into this video. So this is what the packaging looks like. The packaging definitely gets a 10 out of 10 for me. It comes in these really nice sturdy box that you can store your wig in. It also comes with a bag to put your wig inside of, which comes in handy. So it did come with tweezers, a wig cap. It also came with a pair of lashes that I forgot to include. So this is what the hair looks like fresh out of the box. I have not washed this hair yet, but when I did wash the hair, I just used the regular shampoo that I use in my hair, and then I used this it's just like a silky straight, like frizz control type of spray after I washed it while the hair was still damp. This is what the inside of the wig looks like. So it does have multiple combs for security. It also has adjustable straps at the back. And this is what the curls looked like before I washed it. Again, this is a 13x4 body wave honey blonde frontal wig. And this is what the hair looked like after I washed the hair. So I did blow dry it as well because I didn't want to wait all day for it to dry. And that is how much hair I plucked out. So now just putting the wig on my head, it fit perfect. I actually had to cut off ear tabs, which is always a plus for me because I kind of have like a large head in a way. But now I'm just adding my glue. So I did do 2 layers of glue, and I'm just using like the end of one of my old combs that broke, and I'm just using that to blend the glue. I like to blend back like more than what typical amount of glue people use because I feel like it lasts longer. So now you see me applying a second layer of glue, and I'm just letting that dry. And I'm first doing the middle section, and then you're going to see me do my right or my left side, whatever side I do first. You're going to see me do each side separate. When I first started out doing frontals, I used to do like my wig at this, like the whole frontal at the same time, but I noticed like it would always just come out looking weird, and I couldn't correct it at that point, so I decided to like start doing mine in sections. But now you see me cutting off that extra ear tab to make sure it folds behind my ear nicely so I don't have any like irritation like behind my ear. So yeah, like I said, applying the glue like this and blending it back a little bit more, actually I feel like it makes your wig last longer. And I also cut off the excess lace after I lay the glue down because I feel like it just makes it more like my hairline, like, you know what I'm saying, versus like trying to cut off the excess lace before. I feel like when you cut it off after you lay it down, it's like mimic your hairline a little bit better. I decided to go ahead and do a middle part. For some reason, I've been feeling middle parts lately. I don't know, that's just my thing lately. I just been doing middle parts, and yeah, I'm just loving it. So right now you see me hot combing my hair just to make sure everything is flat. Now I could have did this on my wig head, but y'all, I just washed it and threw it on. Like, I did not feel like doing all those extra steps, so I decided to just style it on my head today. Normally I would style it off my head because I feel like it's easier for me that way because I'm not that good at like doing my own hair that much, but like I feel like it's easier to do it on a mannequin head. But today I decided to thug it out, like just do it right on my head. So now y'all see me separating my baby hairs and just like hot combing the edges back just to make sure everything is nice and flat. And then I'm gonna go in with my razor and like cut off my baby hairs, not cut them off, but like trim up so they're not super long. I find it easier to do shorter baby hairs because it's easier to lay because your baby hairs are not going to be like super long, so it's just easier to lay when they're like a little bit shorter. And I'm also using my Got To Be gel. It's the black gel that comes in like the black tube, and this little brush I got off of, I believe, Amazon for like $1 and some change. So I'm just like keep on like swooping and gliding the brush over my edges. I don't know, y'all. I just kind of like, I don't know. I keep redoing the same thing over and over just until I feel like it's perfect. And I always like to do that extra little baby hair like right on my sideburns because I've been trying to get better at it. But yeah, so this is how I lay my baby hairs. And I feel like it lays different depending on the type of wig that I have. This lace also, I'm not gonna lie, was kind of difficult to kind of like hide in a way because it's not like a transparent lace. For some reason, I'm thinking it's like a Swiss lace or something like that, but it still worked out. It still worked out, but it was not definitely, it was a little bit hard to hide, so I had to make sure my baby hairs was covering it and not lifting it up as I was covering it. So my plan was to go ahead and wear my hair straight, right? As y'all can tell by the beginning of the video, I did not have my hair straight. It's actually curled. But my plan was to wear it straight because I was feeling the vibes as I was like flat ironing it or hot combing it. I thought, I'm like, okay, I'm kind of feeling like a straight look, right? So then in the middle of me like straightening my hair, I realized like I want to have it like curled. So that's when you're going to see me curling my hair. But right now I'm just making sure everything is like nice and flat. I was really burning my scalp, y'all. Like, I was like literally burning my scalp because I wanted my wig to be super flat. But now y'all see me using my flat irons just to like flatten out the hair. This is when I realized I wanted some type of swoop and bang action going on, so I decided to curl my hair, and I'm sitting here looking like I just wasted all this time flat ironing my hair. Now y'all see me just curling it. So that is pretty much how I got this look. Yeah, so that's basically just using my wand curler. I don't have a method when I curl my hair. Only method I have is at the front of my hair, which I actually didn't show on camera because I don't know why. Because I was like flat ironing my hair for so long, like I just decided to like not even curl it on camera. But the only method I have is when I get in the front, I curl backwards so that my bangs fall in a certain way, if that makes sense. Alright y'all, so that's all I have for today's video. I hope you did enjoy this install that I did today. If you did, like I said, give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you leave some comments down below. Let me know how you feel about this look. Let me know if you plan on purchasing something. And if you do, like I said, make sure you use that code Keyera to get some money off your order. That is Keyera. I will have it on the screen, and I also will have it down in the description box so you guys can check that out and see what you want to purchase for yourself. Again, this company is Yolova Hair. I will insert all of their website information down below, like I said, so you guys can check them out. But that is all I have for today's video, and I will see y'all in my next one.